questions I get from travelers are, yeah, and how do I even know how much my backpack is going to weigh before I even get to the airport? Yeah, and also, how can I avoid paying those nasty overweight luggage fees? With this, of course. Hi, I'm Tammy, and I'm a solo traveler who's been traveling the world for 8 months now. And in this video, I'm going to demonstrate to you how easy it is to use this Travelon Luggage Scale. And not only that, I'm also going to explain to you the benefits of owning one of these versus owning a digital scale. Okay, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to use this scale. Now, first of all, so you can get an idea, here's the dial. The outside numbers represent pounds and the inside numbers represent kilograms. Very important to know, especially if you get an airplane ticket that says you can only carry 5 kilograms of weight in your luggage bag, which you can convert automatically here. So here we go, don't blink, and hey, don't mind the pounding out there, you know, men at work. But here we go. It's so super easy. Oh my God, I don't know if I could do it. What? There it is. All right, I'm gonna get my glasses out because you know old age. But look, if you can see, my bag weighs 6 pounds, going a little bit past the 5 on the outside, and it weighs 3 kilograms on the inside. That's it. Twist it back, all done. But hey, that isn't all it does, because this little puppy is built with a measuring tape, right? It's in inches and millimeters. Say that 3 times fast. So this is a little handy gadget to measure the length of your bag, and of course, the width of your bag. And it goes in very neatly. Boop. And then you can just fold this up, just like so, slide it in your bag, and you're ready to go. Okay, so what are the benefits of owning this super Travelon luggage scale? Well, number one, it doesn't need batteries. It's manually operated, and you'll never have to worry about it running out of charge when you're on the go and in a hurry. Number two, it's very easy to use and read, as you can see in what I demonstrated to you today. It's sturdy and durable. You can drop this puppy on the ground and it won't break, and I have dropped it a few times, but it's definitely sturdy and durable. Last but not least, it is simple and accurate to read. I don't know about you, but me being over the age of 50, I need simple and accurate in my life, okay? Especially if you're not very digital savvy, this is the product. I can hear you now thinking in your mind, well, Tammy, that's all good, but what about those fancy digital scales out there on the market? Aren't they better? I'm going to tell you what the cons are of owning one of those digital scales. Well, number one, it has a limited battery life. Let's face it, you're going to have to buy batteries continuously and carry them with you wherever you go when you have one of those fancy digital scales. This one doesn't need a battery, ever. You make a one-time purchase, you're done. It's one and done. Whereas if you buy one of those, you got to keep buying batteries. I mean, okay, let's face it. If you're like me and you're always on the go and you're in a hurry to get to the airport, the last thing you want to happen is for your digital scale to run out of battery life when you need it the most. So then you're going to have to, I don't know, go to some store in a foreign country and try to find that one particular battery before you get to the airport. I don't know about you, but I wouldn't want to be in that situation. Number two, let's say you have the batteries on you. You know what else you're going to need to carry with you? you're going to probably need a little teeny tool to use on that little teeny digital battery luggage case thing, and you're going to have to pull the battery out and put the new one in. I don't know about you, but I don't have time and patience for that. Okay? And last but not least, number 3, digital battery scales actually lose their accuracy over time. Not to mention, if you drop one of those babies on the floor, they're so light and delicate that they could easily break on you. Okay? Like I said, this bad boy, this one, this is built to last. Okay, if you're finding value in what I've got to tell you today, could you do me a big favor? Just give me a thumbs up and then drop me a comment below and let me know if you've ever had to pay overweight luggage fees at the airport. Because I'm going to tell you what, this bad boy, this has saved me hundreds of dollars in luggage fees. Okay? I know exactly how much my backpack weighs before I get to the airport, so I never get caught. See the differences? Personally, I love this Travelon Luggage Scale, and I couldn't live without it. And I think it's a no-brainer, so if you do too, why don't you check the link out that I've got below the video in the description and get one of these bad boys for yourself. And hey, happy and safe travels. Bye!